That's fucking gnarly. Okay, so there is some sort of bird of prey up on that pole, and it don't want me anywhere near there. So here's the thing. That thing scared the shit out of me because it's big and it's pissed. So, we got to do something about that before people can use the 700 building, because every time I get close, it comes after me. I would venture to guess it's a protective mama, and I don't want to get close enough to have it chase me again. Because I've never been chased by a bird that big, and I don't want to be on the news for it. It must have a nest close by. That thing is one scary bird. What I don't want is to wear out my welcome so much that it figures that getting off of that pole and coming at me isn't enough, and it's going to come down and really make its presence known. That thing is big.